my god, you brought it out of my face! Sorry, I can't. Was that a red bird? No, that's not. This is mask. You just get out of the jungle? Sure. There we go. First, you stop by my fiber shop. What the? Ooh. So much. Woo! Wait, is that a blender? Just get me out of here. Just go back home. Because we can never find the Angry Birds. But you forgot the fiber gummies. Who cares? Happy birthday! Whose birthday is it? It's his. You guys tricked us. Yeah, dick. Brother. To you. Who won? Bluebird or Bluebird? Who will win? Who will you think to be continued?